background image to a drawing. So the easiest way to do this is to just take the canvas element itself, and HTML allows that canvas to have what's called a background. So like here in my app, I could make a new module for this if I wanted to. I'll go ahead and do that. I'll just call it background.typescript. And as I'm used to, I'll copy my commands there, and then in app I have to import it, so import background. All right, so in my background, I can just take the canvas. It's got a style attribute. Ooh, I'm not getting autocomplete. Oh, there, now it is. Style and background. So like I could just say background color equals blue, for example. Ooh. And now I'm drawing on a blue background. So that's a simple way to handle the background. If I wanted to put that into a button, I would go ahead and say make button, blue background, add event listener, click, and whenever they click, I set the background to blue. So now blue background makes a blue background, and I'll go ahead and make a button that sets it to transparent. So now blue background, clear background. Cool. And what's nice about it being the background is that my drawing stays there when the background changes rather than drawing over it. So that's this lovely style background we can do. There's other properties other than background color though. If you look at the canvas.style, you'll notice there are background image, background position, all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and do a background image. To do a background image, we're going to have to upload an image to our page. So I'm going to come back to the main thing here and just say upload file. And I'm going to look for an image I can use. Now actually I can just drag and drop it up to upload the image. This is going to be annoying, so I'm going to just call it flower. So I did a rename. Now there's a thing called flower there. Now in my background, instead of blue, I'm going to make this flower. And instead of background color, I'm going to make this background image equal. Now this one's a little funny. It's going to be URL, parentheses, and then the name of the file. And that's telling it to look in the same place as index.html for flower.jpg. So that should work. The image didn't fit our canvas, so there's another detail here. I'm going to add background size equals, and cover will just make it cover the background, which is probably what you want. There we go. Clear no longer works because clear just set the image, the color. So we're going to go ahead and make clear also set the image to none. So now my clear will work. So now I can draw on top of my flower, and I can clear it or put it back however I like. Very nice. All right. So now we've got background images. And I can trace flowers if I want.